Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some 4th of July snacks. These are super cute, and like if you're going to a cookout or something, you can bring them with you. You can get everything that you need from your local grocery store. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below. And I am uploading every single day of this month until the 21st, which is my birthday, so make sure you subscribe and put on your post notifications. And if you want to see how to make these 4th of July snacks, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so for this first snack, we're going to be taking pretzel rods and dipping it in white chocolate and then putting some colored sprinkles on them. So first we're going to have to melt the white chocolate, and this is the melted chocolate. I put it in for about 1 minute and I stirred it at 30 seconds. And then we're just going to take the pretzel rods and we're going to dip it until here. And then I'm just going to be taking these blue and red sprinkles and just sprinkling it over top. Cute. And then just put it on the plate. And these are how they came out. I only made a few just as an example, and now we're gonna put them in the fridge to let them harden, and we're gonna move on to the next snack. Okay, for this next snack, you're gonna need Rice Krispies treats, some straws or like sticks that you can stick into them, some red, white, and blue sprinkles, and melted chocolate. I'm gonna make this one red, and I'm going to make another one blue. So we're just gonna add some drops. These are just the Rice Krispies, and I stuck some straws into them so you can hold it like this and it won't be as messy. And for the red straws, we're going to do the blue color. I'm only going to do about 2/3 of the Rice Krispie. And then I'm just going to cover it with sprinkles, and for the blue, I'm just going to do red and white. And then we're just gonna put those in the fridge and wait for them to harden. For this next one, you're just gonna need some red, white, and blue M&Ms, some popcorn, a bowl, and just this red mix that we made before. Pour the popcorn into the bowl. Mix them in. Could leave it like that and add some like nuts or something to make it like a good trail mix, but I'm just gonna take some of this and drizzle it over, and this is how it's gonna look. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. These snacks are super cute and super fast to make, and they would be super fun to bring to like a cookout or a party on the 4th of July. So if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you put on your post notifications because I'm uploading every day of July until the 21st, so you don't want to miss out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!